Hello, folks. I wanted to talk about my Mavic. My Mavic is making this little squeaky sound when it's hovering when I'm at flight. So I'm going to show you guys this little video and check this sound out that's making me not want to take her up and call DJI and send them this video and try to get this looked at. So check this sound out and let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm about to send this to DJI because check this video out. I don't like that sound, that squeaky sound. Yeah, so see what I'm talking about? So I think I'm gonna just send this to DJI and try to get this resolved because I'm afraid to take her up now. Yeah. So tell me what you think.